So guys, make sure they take us around the flowers when
all right,
available.
okay, this is a very nice. This is clothing. This is clothing. Let me show you the design one. This is ordinary clothing. This is a type of clothing. This has its own design. This flower now is in vogue, and this is a type of clothing too. If you check this one, the colors are not the same, the design is not the same. This is another type of clothing too. As you can see, the leaves are as if they slice them. This is how it comes. It's not man-made. So there are these ones now, they call them masquerade trees. This one,
this will not be mango.
No, this is a masquerade tree, it's not mango. This is a masquerade tree. So it grows. I will show you the one that is a bit grown. So you see what it looks like. It's not mango.
Okay.
Yes, it's masquerade tree. We have palms. This is Africa never dies, like I show you here. This Africa never die. This is, you know, like I said earlier, we have names that we use to remark certain flowers.
Brother, make me tell our viewers your name.
All right, my name is Mr. Raymond Asika Okolo, and you are welcome to Kafatech Horticultural and Flower Garden. Here you can see we are into horticultural services. We sell and we plant, we beautify your environment, we make it serene and we make it nice. You know, flower is very good. Apart from beautification, flowers can go to filter your air. You know, where there is flower, the breeze there is very nice. We have trees, we have flowering plants, we have flowers that you can use as edge plants. We have flowers that you can use as covering plant, like it will give you shade. We have flowers that you plant, you know, just to beautify your fence, to cover your fence, or maybe you don't have money for fence, you want to use flowers to demarcate your own portion of land. We have flowers, and as we go in, I will show you those ones now.
Okay. So Oga, before you take us around, this one we there, which is that they use and do? Now,
yes, this is a modernized flower pot. This is different from the ones that we know before. These flower pots now, they are polishable. As you can see, you can shine them. You know, they are polishable. You can clean them, and they will be inside the house. And like this one we see here now is 45,000 naira that we sell.
Okay.
Yes. So we will give it to you. Then this is 30,000 naira, and this small one is 20,000 naira. So there is a way we do it, and any type of flower you want, depending on what you want. If you have any flower at all that maybe you want, you see somewhere and you want us to put inside it, we can put inside it. Or if you want us to design by ourselves, we will design by ourselves and we'll put a very nice flower inside of it. So this is a flower pot that can be inside your home, your office, your steam room, or anywhere.
Okay. So guys, make sure they take us around the flowers when
all right,
available.
Okay, this is a very nice. This is clothing. This is clothing. Let me show you the design one. This is ordinary clothing. This is a type of clothing. This has its own design. This flower now is in vogue, and this is a type of clothing too. If you check this one, the colors are not the same, the design is not the same. This is another type of clothing too. As you can see, the leaves are as if they slice them. This is how it comes. It's not man-made. So there are these ones now, they call them masquerade trees. This one,
this will not be mango.
No, this is a masquerade tree, it's not mango. This is a masquerade tree. So it grows. I will show you the one that is a bit grown. So you see what it looks like. It's not mango.
Okay.
Yes, it's masquerade tree. We have palms. This is Africa never dies, like I show you here. This Africa never die. This is, you know, like I said earlier, we have names that we use to remark certain flowers. There are over 1,000 species of flowers, and I must tell you, you can't cram all of them. So there are names that we used to know. But if as our client or our prospective customer, you have any flower that you want, you see somewhere, maybe you go to or online or anywhere, you can screenshot them, send them to us, and we will help you design, reproduce that. You know, even if you don't know the name, it's not a must that you know the name. You can just tell us, okay, see the flowers I see somewhere, can you help me and reproduce this in my place? Then we will help you. And this is a nursery of tuja. This is a nursery. This is how we plant tuja. It's just planted, so they will grow. Then that one is called line, like I showed you before. It's called line. This is a called line. It's another flower that is very nice. It grows more than this. These are nurseries. These are just they just planted them recently. So that is why
about this one we get white fruit.
Yes, this is a type of alamander that this one, right, that have white flower. Yes, this alamander. So this alamander, we have the one that has yellow. I showed you the other side. This is salamander with white, and the other one has yellow.
Okay, so this one too now.
Yes,
the same thing.
yes,
it's yellow.
Yes. So let's go.
So the fee plant the two together.
Yes, you can plant them together to have, as in to have varieties of colors. You can plant them together to have varieties of colors. So right, let's go down. This is golden palm. This is golden palm. This is golden palm.
Golden palm.
Yes, it's golden palm. We have palms. We have a king palm. We have queen palm. We have golden palm. We have akira palm and other ones. And we have silver sand, the one that looks star-like. They call it Peace Michael. Okay. We have a silver palm. Yes. So so this is the tuja that has grown. The one I showed you there, that is a nursery. This is what they looks like no, though we don't sell it like that. This is how we come to plant it for you. This is the size that one we see there is a nursery. We just produced it so that so this is how
this tuja like this.
Yes.
The person say one plant. Now how much did it cost?
Well, this size of tuja now, we plant it for you. Per one, we plant it for 5,000.
Okay.
Yes, this size. If it's bigger, then it costs more. But this size of tuja now this tuja is very nice. It grows more than this. We even have tuja that we can plant for you, and in 1 month, it looks like as if maybe it's been like 1 year. We have, yes, we can plant. We uproot trees and plant. All these are professionalism that makes it to survive. You know, this tuja now, we can plant the one that is like this and it will survive.
Grow more than this.
Yes, that grow far away, like ×3 of this. So, but the only thing is that the price will not be the same. Yes, like I told you, this is silver sand. This is Peace Michael. It's a type of palm too.
That one will be like finger, so
yes,
that will be Peace Michael.
Yes.
Okay.
It's a type of palm too. Then let's go down. This is akira palm, like I told you. This is another palm. Apart from a golden palm.
Okay, that one should not be coconut.
No, it is not coconut. This is akira palm. This is a type of palm. It doesn't bear any fruit. This is how it will, and it will grow. This is we call this one snake plant. Yes, or in layman language they call it mother-in-law tongue.
Mother-in-law tongue.
Yes, this is how it grows.
Okay.
Yes. So let's go down. There are some interesting. Then if you come to trees, this is almond. Or let's use this one. This is almond tree. Though we plant it, we can plant it like this, but we don't always plant it this size. Okay. We have the nursery of it that we plant, but when it grows more than this, but it doesn't grow too big like this. This is
but this one the fruit one with the chop now.
Yes, this is fruit, but this is not that species that normally grows beyond control. This one is just small thing now, and this one will be matured fully.
Producing. Yes,
it start producing. This one is not. It doesn't grow that all. And this is queen palm. Like we know, this is the one that is common. This is queen palm.
Okay.
So, yes. So let's go to trees. There's what you know. There are trees that you plant. They don't shed leaves. They call it step tree. This is step tree.
Step tree.
Yes. This is step tree. They grow. Maybe you can see it in Lagos State. They plant it along the road to provide shade. They plant it on the roadside. Maybe you want to plant in other places they call an avenue to produce shade. You can plant it in both sides, and that place you wouldn't need on your playground where your children want to be playing. You can plant it there. Then use plant grass on the ground and the things. Then so there are different varieties of flowers. This one, in fact, there are many of them with different names. It all depends on the client, what you want. So if you don't have anything in mind, we can help you design. We will send you samples, and the samples we'll send you is not going to be this nursery sample. Is we will send you the way it will be when
the highest height when you go reach.
Yes,
when we say if the person go need down, make it chalk. If you not go need down,
yes,
we'll say okay, I don't need this one too high.
Yes. So
okay,
that is it. So let's go now. Oh, yeah, it's
when they find butterfly, make they come here, full year.
Yeah, this
garden we do so.
This is where we plant different types of palms, and this is what we know as guava. This is guava.
This one is guava.
Yes, this is a guava.
This one don't produce already.
Yes, it has produced, because this is the species. It's another species different from the ones that you normally plant. It doesn't grow more than this. This is a matured guava, and it produces fruit. And this is what we do. We have the nursery of this one. We can plant it. It's still, you can use it as border plants, or anyhow you want to use it for. If it's just for fruit, maybe you want to be something you can come out, pick and eat, or your children can come and pick and eat. We also do that. So apart from flowering plant, if you go here, you see flowers that can grow. Why we actually put them inside here is that these ones, they don't actually need all that direct sunlight, so they can grow. They can grow inside the house, or where there is no much sunshine. Yes, it can grow inside. We have varieties of them here. So
all these flowers now flowers not if you put for inside.
Yes, you can put them there.
So, you know, say whenever they ask for the prices, yes. So all this one that they put for inside, if you just they tell us how they go.
Yes, like I said earlier, the size is determine the price, because if it's the smaller the plant, the cheaper it will become. But the more, like these ones now that have already germinated, we'll just transfer it to your flower pot or to wherever. These ones now we do them for 2.5 per one.
Okay.
Then the same thing with that one, this one too. This one's we do them for 2.5. But these ones like this now, that looks like cocoyam. These ones now we do them for 4,000.
Okay.
So like I said, it depends on this one too is 3,000 naira. So it depends on the size of the plant determines. So all these ones can be inside flower pot, or you can still plant them outside. But maybe that place there is at the fence, edge of the fence, maybe no direct sunlight. Don't worry, they will survive.
Okay.
They will survive.
So Oga,
yes,
make you come this side, make you near this our guava, because now the food so we'll eat before we come out.
Yes.
So Oga, we don't see the work when you they do, and the way when you take the beautify houses. So Oga, what in a situation whereby person don't tell you, contact you, say okay, come help us plant some flowers around our environment. What will be the maintenance culture when they will follow, when it will take survive? Because after you don't plant, maybe you don't go.
Yes.
One thing are to plant, the other one are making no wither.
Yes. In horticultural services, in this flower that we do, in this flower business, we don't just plant and go away. It's not like other parts, as in jobs. This one, you plant and you ensure that it germinates, and you will see that there is like, even you where they plant them for, you will see that yes, this thing has germinated. So most of these things that you see, that's why our job is very different. Sometimes we'll go for one job, we'll stay there like a week. That 1 week that we stay there is not, we can plant in a day, but we'll stay for additional 4 days, 5 days, watering and maintaining to make sure that it germinates. Yes. So another thing is planting, another thing is germinating, like you said. So we make sure that it germinates. And in case of further like maintenance services, like maybe it has grown and you want us to trim it, we are still into that. We can still stay back and do it for you. But when we plant, we don't just plant and go away and they say yes, that our people that know us in this environment, in this, that the customers that span around Lagos and Ogun State and Osun State, they know us that when we plant, we make sure that it survives and it grows, and they call us, they recommend us to other people. that still call us for the same job.
Okay. So Oga, make you give us your phone number in case our viewers they want to reach you.
Yes, my phone number, you can get us on WhatsApp and other platforms on 080-3768-5714. I repeat again, 080-3768-5714. This is our WhatsApp number, and it's also, you can still call us and reach us one-on-one on this particular number. You can send us any design that you see anywhere around the world. Send us the design, say this is how I want my house to be, and then we will estimate it, tell you the flowers that are there, tell you how much it will cost. And if you don't also have any design at hand, we can go to your place, look at your place, have a look, check the texture, check everything, then we can advise you, sir, why don't you do 3 here? Will you need a playground? Will you need a lawn? Or do you need edge? Do you want to write your name? There are flowers that we use to write your name. We can write your name. If it's a hotel, we can use the flower to write the name of the hotel. This are not be signboard, this are natural signboard. We write your name, and when they grow to a certain height, you trim it, the name of the hotel will come out, or the name of the owner of the house, or just maybe you can just want to write thank you Lord, or anything whatsoever you want to write. Maybe you just want, you have a free space, you don't want it to be, or we can do garden for you where you can just come out with your loved ones, sit down, receive fresh air, over a drink or anything. So these are the things that we do. So people that have known us for some time, when they call us, they say, okay, check your WhatsApp, I've sent this, or they will send us, see this design I saw in my friend's place, see this flower, I need this thing in my house, this is how I want my house to be, and we'll do it for you. We'll reproduce it in your place. Okay. So that is what we do.
Okay. So but the price of flower not include the services when you take go plant them?
No. Okay. Flower is different. Like I said, here like you see, we produce flower. We breed them from nursery. Like the other place you saw where they planted tuja. Yes. So we breed them from nursery. So we even sell to other horticulturists, and we have a group of horticulturists that we go to work with. So once we get jobs, we can work in 3-4 places at the same time. We have people that can work in those places. So we just call and we distribute. So the flower, your job, but I assure you, my prospective customers, our workmanship is very, 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 very
affordable.
Yes, it's affordable. It's very, very affordable, and that is why people that have patronized us, they recommend us to other people. Yes.
So our viewers all over the world, we thank Una for the time when they watch our videos and motivation when Una they give us. So thank you all, and God bless.